Oh, hey now. Baker here. Looks like we're doing the 2 times spicy challenge on the ramen noodles. We gotta start doing a little something. Food challenge is what we're gonna start out with. I haven't even had them yet. 2 times spicy challenge. Seen a video or two. Looks like people are having a pretty rough time. I have my preparations. Got a bowl of ice and some milk. Everything I see looks like people are having a rough time and they need something to cool us down. So, we got seasoning and a packet of, I don't know, really ignorant hot sauce. And that's what we're going to do. My noodles are made. From what I understand, it's put the sauce in the noodles, try to conquer said noodles. So let's try. I don't know. Let's get to it. Noodles are hot. Everybody ready out there in the interwebs? Let's do this. I don't even know what's in here and it looks ignorant already. Ignorant. Alright. Oh boy. Oh boy. You know what's good? When the sauce is black. You put some red black sauce on your stuff, you are probably gonna have a rough time. I understand people keep this and eat this on the regular. We about to figure out how that goes. I'm a cutter. I'm a noodle cutting guy. I'm not trying to twist my fork. I'm not trying to do all that. Also, this is mixing my stuff in. That's how we're gonna roll. You know what? You guys can eat your noodles however you want. I cut up my salads. Cut up my pancakes. I'm gonna cut up my ramen noodles. And let's get a good mix. Sam the cooking guy would say, and we mix. That's what we're gonna do. That smells like this is gonna suck. Alright, well, I'm supposed to try to get these noodles down. Let's try. Okay, let's go. You know what? Let's do it. Also, I'm going to set the tone here real quick. I think we already ate something a little spicy earlier. I think I already got a little bit of heartburn. And, all the other things. Contacts are bothering me. Got an eyelash in my eye. All those things. Whatever. I don't care. Here we go. 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 That is instantly hot. I'm going to go ahead and say, maybe if I eat them really fast, I'll get them down. I already want to cry. I'm going to cry. Instant regret. I get hiccups instantly. You know how you get rid of hiccups? You take a deep breath, you count to 30, and you blow out as hard as you can. We'll see. That's how I always get rid of hiccups. Here we go. Oh, this is ignorant. I'm crying. I'm crying. My nose is running. I could have used some paper towels. Oh boy. I'm coming in. Toss. Ooh.
There you go, Dad. And some paper towels.
A nod of the head. Am I allowed to take a drink at all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, maybe. I don't know. You can wait till you're done.
Well, I don't know if I can keep going.
Keep going, Dad.
It's just flat out painful. It hurts. But I'm not going to lie to you at all. The flavor's there. I get it. The flavor ain't bad. It's got a little bit of sweet to kind of go with it. Oh, man. Ignorant. Just ignorant. That sauce is the devil's sauce. That's the sauce that the devil uses. That's what that is. It's like the devil's favorite sauce. Man, we're doing it. The heat is in there, but right now, it's like my mouth's on fire, but it's not getting any worse. My nose is getting worse. Oh, man. My nose is letting me know I have made a mistake. My nose is telling me I shouldn't have done this. Shouldn't have done this at all. I'm having a great time. I'm sure it's visibly, you're able to visibly see that I'm having a rough time. And that's because I am. It is sinking into my stomach. My stomach is like, dude, why? You were doing just fine with the cookies and milk you was having earlier. Ooh. It is hot, dude. Why is there still more in here? Oh boy. All right, switch to the spoon so we can get boy, it is with much regret that I say I finished the 2-time spicy challenge. My mouth hurts. This hurts. I'm on fire. I'm gonna have my drink now. Oh, wow. Instant relief right there. Or decent. Oh. I would blow my nose, but I don't really want to do that on camera, so I'm just gonna. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. The heat's coming back. The heat is there. Heat's back. Oh. The heat came back. Oh my God. Get on out here. I don't even want to see this stuff. I am crying. I am hurt. Oh, regrets. Regrets. Oh, so regretful. Oh boy. In my belly. It's down here in my belly. My belly's not happy at all. Is that challenge doable? Yeah. Makes a big bowl of noodles, bro. Woo, interwebs. Here's what I'm doing. I'm gonna make some content. We're gonna make some crazy videos. Make some cool videos. Some fitness videos. Some unboxing videos. Woo-hoo. So while I'm dying, let's have a chat. Like I don't already talk enough. Yeah, I know. Anybody knows me, I talk and talk and talk and talk. You get to hear about what I got to say. So, now we're tuned in. I'm dying. Let's see what I got in the middle of that. There we go. Got a new pack of resistance bands to go downstairs. I have another pack. They're already downstairs. Hanging from all my hooks in the ceiling. Wow. But what I want to be able to do is have my hooks over here and my hooks over here. And be able to do bands of the same resistance from both sides. Holy cow. That heat is on there, dude. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Keeping the ice in, apparently. That ice comes out, dude. It's rough city. Rough city. Oh boy. So anyway, let's see what these bad boys look like. These are, I'm assuming, identical to the other ones I have, but different brands. Yeah, these are identical. They come with a little card, show you what to do. I thank you for your purchase. No problem. Working on getting fit. So I want to be able to do the same size bands from both sides. So basically like cable crossover, which is real cool. So you can do up high, and low, down low, one at a time. Yeah, that's a tough dude. But that's so I can. They're for pull-up assistance. They're nice and long, so you can put them in your pull-up bar, hang them around your knees, and you get in more pull-ups. So they're cool for that. Also, I do all kinds of other stuff with them. Now I say this because I have another pack that is identical to this downstairs, but I got this pack so that I can do two at the same time. But this one downstairs, I folded it over. I'm doing double. I don't know if it's necessarily double the resistance, but it's freaking hard. I put a hook in the ceiling. I got the ropes for tricep pull down. Carabiner clip, hook it through my resistance band, put it on a hook, and I've got tricep pull downs. So well, thought I'd go ahead and talk about some new cool stuff that I got. I missed a flame in the hot mouth. Not sweating anymore. My nose isn't running too bad. But my tongue is on fire. Oh boy. If I don't got the ice on my tongue, it's just like pain. It's just pain. No other way to describe it. I just feel like I burned ignorant. Ignorant is what it is. So, I got my challenge done. I thought I'd talk about something I got in the mail today for my fitness. And I'll get putting them to use and make some videos about it. So, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Click the link. Subscribe thingy. Tune into our shows. Give us a thumbs up. Send me a comment on how big of a pansy I was with this, and how everybody just like eats this like it's no big deal. We'll be back at you. Thanks.